How's it going, everybody? Happy Saturday. It's early November. Early November in the desert right now, and it's a beautiful day. It's like high 80s, but in the shade it feels like 60, maybe 70. Who knows? But really nice day outside. It's gonna cool down here in like 2 days, right? So that's exciting. It's about 87 right now, and it's going to be about 87 tomorrow on Sunday, and then Monday it drops to 82, is in the 70s, and it's a beautiful time. So I've been prepping and waiting for that right weather. I think it's finally here, so tomorrow I get to plan everything. So I'm very excited, planning a ton of stuff. I have some starts that I've already put in that are doing well. I did some stuff from seeds just because I could. I had a bed ready, but I got my lemon trees, lime, my grapefruit, all that. So, and a mango, or I can't remember, an orange variety. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what I've done and where I'm at and give you a little status update. Give you an update. My wildflowers, I'm not gonna walk down there, but down the very end down there, right there, there's a few little spuds coming up. A few little flowers coming up right there. It's kind of exciting. So still going to do a layer of thick river rock, or bigger river rock along here to separate it, but had more pressing issues. So but I've got these beds all hosed up, tied into my system. So you can see I've planted some in the second and the third bed there. I've had some seeds starts there. So over in the corner out here, I got a whole bunch of starts that I still need to put in the ground. So I'm waiting for that weather to cool down. It's supposed to be from high 80s to low 80s in like 2 days. I'm gonna plant Sunday night. Good weather would be perfect for it. So I'm still been dumping dirt out here on the ground. Every chance I till something up, it's good. I'll sift through it and bring a couple wheelbarrow full out here. It's getting a little level. I'm gonna order my chip drop today. I'm gonna pause. There's a car here. No, it's just a drop for Go Freedom. Good times. But I've been dumping dirt and kind of leveling it here. Not trying to go perfect, but at least getting a little bit better. So I'm comfortable where it's at. I could do better, but I want to get my chip drop. I'm tired of walking in the dirt. So I'm going to order it. This one place says they usually get it in 2 weeks, found on Craigslist. So I'm really excited about that. So anyways, I'm still working on this rock. I haven't put any rock here. I just haven't wanted to do it. I had to get prepared for my citrus trees. But I got some over there. I'm gonna mess with my hose and get a better setup today, so I can have one in the front, one in the back, and quit pulling my hose back and forth. It just looks bad. So anyways, these are my beds. I've got some broccoli in the back here. I'm gonna do a couple more rows of broccoli. I've got some kale up there, some dinosaur, and some Russian kale. It's just what was available in the nursery. I couldn't even put the 3 places. None of them had seeds. A little late in the game, so it is what it is. But I will see how they grow. But these guys are pretty easy to grow. So I got some of this Grow Well I've used in the past. It's great stuff. I use it with a mixture of other stuff, but they're one of my favorite products. You can get it at Whitfield Nursery. I've gotten it through Greg at the Urban Farm as well. So these are my peas. Those are some beets in the car. Those are my peas. Some of my beets. Doing all right here. Got a couple rows are pretty thick. Carrots did all right. Like some sprouted, some didn't. I put some more seeds in. Actually, I bought some starts of carrots. I was like, what the heck? It's like $1. And my peas are doing pretty well. I need to put some more string in, but they're starting to finally grab. So I think once this weather cools down a little bit, they'll be a little bit happier. It's a little warm for them. They're a little delicate, but either way, doing pretty well. My artichokes are doing great. They're doubled in size in a couple weeks, which is good with this warm weather too. And these are all my starts. I'm gonna actually pick this guy up here, move him over in the shade. Now that the shade's here, they're looking a little hot. Sorry about that. I want to give them the best life, right? So that's all my starts. Those are my greens. Been waiting and waiting to plant them, but these guys look so healthy and happy. I'm putting them in this early shade over here, and then this celery, got some lavender, and see, I've done this before, asparagus. It's a pretty neat one. I moved out right when I got it going. I drive by and it still sprouts over there, so I might just dedicate an area of my garden to asparagus. But I got some onions, some chives, some garlic, some more broccoli, which is a little weak there, some marigolds. I think that's onion, garlic over there. Either way, I primarily use this tubing stuff too. I really like it. It goes right in, it has emitters every so often, like 6 inches. I just run rows, man. It's hard to make it perfect. I think with my carrots, I should probably use a soaker, would be better. But either way, run a few of those. It kind of gets the whole bed wet every day. Bed wet. But I've used that product and it's worked pretty well for me in the past. It's on Amazon. I can link to it. Stuff I buy. It's really inexpensive. You get a big chunk of it. I always roll it out first and let the sun lay on it. It's easier to manipulate, less coiled. And anyways, but this is the exciting part here. First off, the tree's doing great. About a month in, it's got some little new growth on it. Some dead leaves are kind of dying off, but overall, real dark green, healthy. Very, very excited with it. We got this guy at Whitfield as well, so they're nice. We like them. So this is our fruit tree, or citrus trees. Yeah, this is my Mexican lime, my lemon, Lisbon lemon. Excited for those two. Like I say, excited a lot, but I am excited. This is my mandarin, Tango mandarin, and oh, dig this guy out. Here is my ruby red grapefruit. Pretty excited.